Work smarter, not harder. The re-engineered Titan PGD3200X gas-powered driver is the ultimate tool for driving round pipe, chain link, telespar, T-posts, ground rods, as well as erosion control and tent stakes. The PGD3200X requires zero fuel mixing and is powered by the 4-stroke Honda GX35 1.3 horsepower engine. The new hardened steel threaded barrel is compatible with an assortment of adapter sleeves for 1/2 inch and 2.5 inch tent stakes and comes with an insertable drive cap specifically designed for 16 to 18 gauge tubing. Customize your PGD3200X with our extension handle kits to meet the demands of any project. The 15-inch handle kit is ideal for posts 8 feet and under, while the 30-inch handle kit extends your reach for tackling 9-foot posts. Use the top throttle kit when driving tent stakes, 2-inch telespar, 2-pound U-channel, or erosion materials from waist height to ground level. These handle kits provide dual throttle and auto reset on-off switches, placing complete control in the hands of the operator. Never compromise power or versatility for control and safety. Have both with the Titan PGD3200X. Titan post drivers, work smarter, not harder.